Good morning everyone, welcome to Markets Daily by Bajaj Broking. I am Hardik, your host and guide to the latest market insights. Let's dive into today's top news and key updates shaping the financial landscape. First on the news is Hindustan Zinc Limited (HZL) with its offer for sale OFS opening today. The government is set to divest 1.25% equity with an additional 1.25% available via the green shoe option totaling 2.5%. The floor price is 505 rupees, offering a 10% discount to yesterday's closing price, marking a significant opportunity for investors. Second on the news is HeroMotoCorp, which is set to expand into Europe and UK, aiming to enter multiple European markets by the second half of the year. This expansion aligns with Hero's global growth ambitions and marks a strategic entry into developed markets. Thirdly, India's CPI and IIP data release timing has shifted from 5:30 pm to 4 pm. This earlier release allows stakeholders faster access to crucial economic indicators, impacting timely market and policy decisions. Lastly, in the equities market, FIIS net sold 2,569 crore rupees, while DIIS net bought 3,031 crore rupees yesterday. The Q2 results season is in full swing. Investors are keenly awaiting updates from other major players, including Nerolac India. Now, turning our focus to the Indian markets, GIFT Nifty suggests a flat opening for the Indian markets and is likely to consolidate in the broad range of 24,000 to 24,700. Let's look at the market in the previous session. India's major indices, Sensex and Nifty 50, rallied on 5th November, closing strongly after the previous session's downturn. Significant gains in financial and metal sectors played a key role, helping the benchmarks shift from early losses to finishing in green. Sensex was up by 694 points or 0.88% to settle at 79,476.63, while the Nifty increased by 218 points or 0.91% to close at 24,213.3. Market sentiment remains cautious as key events unfold this week, including the US presidential election, the Federal Reserve's policy decision, and the expected announcement of China's substantial stimulus plan. Nifty Metal Index was the best performer as it ended nearly 3% higher, followed by Nifty Bank, which was up by around 2%. Nifty Outlook. Index has been trading in the range between 23,800 to 24,500 since the last few sessions and is likely to consolidate till a clear trajectory is not visible. With technical indicators which were deeply oversold, a pause in the sell-off can help lift overall market sentiment. A piercing line candlestick pattern is formed, indicating some respite from the brutal sell-off and buying emerging near crucial supports. However, caution is advised under current conditions with major events lined up this week. Nifty has near-term resistance at around 24,500 followed by 24,750 levels and has tested its short-term supports placed at 23,780 to 23,800 levels. A breach of supports can lead to further correction towards 23,500 levels. Let's look at the intraday levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For Nifty, resistance is situated at 24,338 followed by 24,477 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 24,035 followed by 23,950 levels. For Bank Nifty, resistance is situated at 52,500 followed by 52,640 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 51,580 followed by 51,200. Talking about the global markets, US benchmark equity indexes closed higher on Tuesday as traders anticipated the presidential election results. The Nasdaq Composite rose 1.4% to 18,439.2. The S&P 500 gained 1.2% to 5,782.8. And the Dow Jones added 1% to reach 42,221.9, with consumer discretionary and industrials leading sector gains. Markets are expected to remain volatile as key swing states are closely monitored. Meanwhile, the US services sector continued expanding in October, with the Institute for Supply Management reporting faster growth. Let's delve into the developments in the Asian markets. Asian stock markets, including Japan and South Korea, rose in early trade following an overnight rally in the US as reports indicated Donald Trump leading in Indiana and Kentucky, while Kamala Harris was ahead in Vermont. Japan's Nikkei gained 263.50 points or 0.68% to 38,843.50. Australia's S&P ASX 200 climbed 67.90 points or 0.83% to 8,200.90, and South Korea's Kospi advanced 4.05 points or 0.16% to 2,581.57. Taking a closer look at the derivative data, let's analyze the insights into Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty options for today's trading session. For Nifty, highest call OI is positioned at 25,000 followed by 24,500 level, whereas the highest put OI is positioned at the 23,500 level followed by 24,000 level. We saw call writers shifting their base from 24,000 to 24,300 to 25,000, making it a crucial resistance to watch for. On the other hand, put writers were active about 24,200, indicating stiff support at lower levels. According to option chain analysis, broader range for the Nifty is 24,000 and 24,500. The Nifty put call ratio is now positioned at 0.94. For Bank Nifty, highest call OI is positioned at 54,000 followed by 53,000, whereas the highest put OI is positioned at the 51,000 followed by 51,500 level. We also saw a straddle formation at 52,000, making it a crucial level to watch for. We saw call writers shifting their base from 52,000 to 52,700 and 53,500, making it a crucial resistance to watch for. On the other hand, put writers were active above 52,000, indicating stiff support at lower levels. According to option chain analysis, broader range for Bank Nifty is 51,000 and 52,000. The Bank Nifty put call ratio is now positioned at 1.04. And that's all for today. To delve deeper into today's market insights and analysis, check out the caption below. See you tomorrow for more updates. Investments in the security markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents before investing.